But yeah, we're gonna make brownies right now.
Little mama a savage, making you bitches look average. If she want it, she can have it, but she can't throw it the baggage. If she throw it, I'ma catch it. 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 Yeah.
Okay, so right now we're gonna make some brownies. And it's the dark chocolate fudge brownies. Okay, so we're gonna need if we want fudgy brownies, we need 1 egg, and if we want cake-like brownies, we need 2. I want fudge.
Okay, we get 1 egg.
Okay, get 1 egg, and then we're gonna need water and vegetable oil, and then the cake mix, of course.
1 egg.
Yeah, 1 egg. And we're gonna need the cake batter mix thingy, majiggy. Whoa. Okay, so we're gonna put the cake batter. Do we put all of it? Do we? Wait, I don't know if I should get a bigger one because it might be big.
I think
This is too big. Either way, we're gonna put that in.
we're done.
Oh, okay. And then I know how to crack. No, I know how to crack it like real good, you know. So this is the world's famous egg. You know, the world record egg. We're gonna like destroy it right now because you know. Okay, so this is the world's record egg, and we're gonna crack it.
Did I put all of it?
Yeah. But careful, Victoria.
Sorry. Fine.
She's so clumsy, guys. I'm sorry. It's her face. Okay. So we're gonna crack it. Ooh. Gonna need what 1/3 of a cup of water. Wait, what? That doesn't make sense.
1/3 of a cup of water.
Look. Stop. Okay, so we need 1/3 of a cup of water, and you're just gonna put it in there. Now we need vegetable oil. How much do we need? We need the same amount, 1/3 cup of vegetable oil. Instead of vegetable oil, we put 1/3, how we said already, like 5 million times. Okay, so 1/3 cup of water. How much? Okay, and we're gonna swirl it around. Just wait for it, guys. Just wait. It's gonna be delicious.
Now we can send it to all of your 200 subscribers.
Yeah, we're gonna bake it for reaching 200 subscribers. Okay, I might not put that in, but you still put it in, so okay. What? Why are you laughing? So we need these things for our, put it in there. And guys, I make the best cakes. And one time I made these best brownies. It was good. Get in the video, gosh. Yeah, it was really good, right? You didn't even taste it. Okay. Press the red button. Ready? Get this in. Set the oven to 350, I believe, and it's just heating up right now. Because in the box it says to preheat it to 350. We're doing very good. And so far the batter looks like this. And it looks very chocolatey, and I'm so excited. And we also have chocolate frosting, so it could be good. But so far it's going good. We haven't made a mistake because we're professionals.
We're professional here only.
Right now we're just waiting, and we're kind of excited for this. Sound effects. Crowd cheering. It's gonna be good. I'm gonna double sure that I'm doing it right. Yep, I'm doing it right. So we have the pan here, and I don't know if this is too big, but I think it'll be okay. And then we're gonna use the butter spray so it won't stick on. Butter cooking spray. I'm using the hand thing. So I'm using the butter spray, and we're just gonna spray it on the pan. So you wanna hold it?
Yeah.
Come over here. Okay, so don't spray it. Shh, shh. No, just like okay. Do the edges also. Estoy bien. Estoy bien. Found it. So now we're gonna pour it in the batter. I mean the pan. This pan was too big.
Boy, if you don't.
Broccoli.
It's ready. I did that.
Squeeze me oh so tight, baby. Squeeze me oh so tight, baby.
Oh. I'm good. Okay, so the brownies are ready, and so far, I'm good.
Is that gonna go in the video?
We did pretty good, and so this is the end of the video. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe down below and comment what I should do next, and like it if you enjoyed watching us bake some brownies. They were really good. So yeah, 1, 2, 3, bye. Skype here.